Algebra 1, Unit 6, Lesson 1. To rewrite the expression 5 times the quantity, 3x minus 2, using the distributive property, start by recognizing that the distributive property tells us to multiply the number outside the parentheses by each term inside. In this case, multiply 5 by 3x, which gives you 15x, and then multiply 5 by negative 2, which gives you negative 10. When you combine these two results, the expression simplifies to 15x minus 10. To rewrite the expression 2x times the quantity, 6x plus 5, using the distributive property, you need to multiply the term outside the parentheses by each term inside. First, multiply 2x by 6x to obtain 12x squared. Next, multiply 2x by 5 to get 10x. Finally, combine these results to form the expression 12x squared plus 10x. To rewrite the expression 2x over 3 times the quantity 9x plus 6 using the distributive property, first multiply 2x over 3 by 9x, multiply the numerators together to get 18x squared, and then divide by 3 to simplify, which gives you 6x squared. Next, multiply 2x over 3 by 6. This multiplication gives 12x in the numerator, and when you divide by 3, you get 4x. Finally, combine these two results. The expression simplifies to 6x squared plus 4x.